This is covered in snow. 2 inches.
Dang.
Snow in February.
Well, when I talked to her earlier, I wasn't really doing a whole lot. I talked to her about 6 o'clock, I guess. And I wasn't really doing anything yet. It was just here, it was warm.
That's my dog.
Well, she said she was outside.